Cosmic Bowling is taking the simple game of bowling and doing all the skills, but in a fun place.
You hold the ball like a dog puppet. There's like 3 holes and you put your fingers in it. And then you do 3 steps and then you roll it.
Math is very important while bowling. You would have to count all the pins. If you knock down a few of them, but not all of them, that's a fair. And if you knock down all of them, it's a strike.
We are adding strikes to our board. We're doing a competition. So we count together how many tallies they got, counting by 5. They are learning their social skills, so getting them to just talk to each other. And in something like bowling, they have to interact. They have to talk about how many pins. They have to interact with the people next to them because bowling etiquette, you can't bowl at the same time. So they need to be aware of who's around them and how to communicate. Everyone can bowl, so it's really a great sport for really anyone to be able to do.